Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Let's start learning. This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases. This is the part, which we are trying to build.
This is one of the simplest designs. But I want to assure you that, this is an ideal part for beginners. Hope you will enjoy this beginner's tutorial. This is a very simple part, but ideal for new learners. I will use only one sketch and extruded boss command for completing the SolidWorks video tutorial for beginners.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Edit Appearance. Select this color.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 30 millimeters. Distance is 70 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 10 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters. Distance is 30 millimeters.
Now take Trim Entities command. Select Power Trim. Now trim these lines. Press OK.
Now we will remove these two triangular portions for the body.
Now take the Line command.
Distance is 10 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 10 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK. The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Left-click on the face and edit appearance. Select this color. Select faces.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Left-click on the face and edit appearance. Select this color. Left-click on the face and edit appearance. Select this color.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Select Rotate Mode and click Next. Select Y-axis of rotation and click Next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.